Hello guys, and hope doing well. This is super simple atmega328. It is configured as EMF detector. You can see that I designed the PCB circuit board. An Iranian great company print out this for me with deep version. Here this side is the bar graph side, as you can see here, welded, and this side is the micro atmega328, but we are able to use 168 or atmega 8 or 16 also. You can see that the crystal is designed for the back side. That's it. It's really easy. As you can see, when I'm turning on with 9-volt raceal battery, as soon as it is going to close to the transformer, very good, we have more sound and more indication with the bar graph, and also with TV. I'm going to test with my microscope. You can see it is very easy project. You can see it is welded urgently, and I believe that it is working very well. If you are using the fresh 9-volt battery, it's much better to use the 5-volt voltage regulator, because of the 9-volt battery is too much for this micro. I'm using the used battery, and the output is around 5 volts. If you are using this micro, you should have one regulation IC. I designed the placed here for the circuit board, this side exactly, and here is designed for the SMA antenna female jack. When I'm taking this, you can see very well. I have several more videos about Arduino or other micros EMF detector. Thanks for watching. Let me know your idea about this project. Goodbye.